We have one sign that the market maker or the whale is still holding PHUN. So this is a good sign that we have for PHUN to discuss for today. For the people who bought around the pump that happened before, we have a good news for you and we have a little of bad news. But we have to discuss the good news first or the bad news first, then we're going to discuss the good news later on. So hit the like button on the way in, of course, because today we're gonna discuss the price action for PHUN and why we didn't continue to go higher and why we are in red right now, and we're gonna confirm where the price will pump the next time. So hit the like button, share the love, and let's get right to it for today's video with PHUN. Of course, guys, PHUN is still looking all right. We have to discuss first. Let me just do this. We have to discuss first, guys, uh, this stock first, BMR, one of the biggest gainer for this year by far, 1000%. So this is not a glitch, guys. This is a real jump, 1000% that happened today in the pre-market. So there is always opportunity. Yes, PHUN looking good, but PHUN lost the momentum because we don't have news right now. That's why the last few days we don't have action. However, on our hunter channel and our even on picture and Discord, we don't hunt just for PHUN, we have many other trades. There's always opportunity in the market. So today the opportunity was for this stock. Look at that, 1000%. And you tell me, Jesus, it was too late because it jumped 100%. Imagine, once we saw this stock, it was almost 60% up. And of course, we did this update here. As you can see, it was around the $4.26. And before that, we spot this jump. Of course, before that, we said a really good entry. It was not even around the 4, it was around the $3.60 over this ascending channel. And of course, we ride this one, guys. We were waiting for the jump. We were waiting. And we said, if we have a pullback, we're going to have a hold up over this ascending channel. So we have a plan. We have the setup, the resistance, $4.26. This was before the market opened by 1 hour and 30 minutes. And of course, we took many profit for this one. Here around the 5, the 6, many profit. And of course, we closed the last profit for this one, as you can see here, around the 12.34. We're not greedy, guys. Hit our profit taking, we exit with our profit, and then we watch for the pullback. So for the PMR, give us a good indication or a signal that there's always opportunity in the market. So if you just watch them for PHUN, you have to diversify, guys. So here we have to discuss something important here. Next time, if you want to trade any stock, let's say for PHUN, don't enter fully. So let me just give you advice here before we go really like deep for the chart analysis here. Never go all in. Even for BMR, I didn't go all in with my portfolio, guys. Even though I have like a lot of confidence for this trade, but I didn't enter fully. Why? Because I put a bit of money for other opportunity. If the price pulled back on me or the price didn't move, I don't want to exit and enter. No, I enter with this position and leave it until either the support break or the resistance break and go to my profit. So good advice for you guys, never go all in, because if you got all in, you never could trade this stock because your money will be locked here and you don't have the chance to enter with us with BMR, because today we have a good question from one of our hunter about BMR, and he said I lost this trade because he missed it. Of course, because he have another stock, he bought it and he did like he was locked in the other trade because he have all his money over there. So what I suggest, guys, never go all in with any stock. To have opportunity like this one, never go on new because you have some money left to play with other stock. So this is a good advice to take for anybody who bought PHUN and couldn't buy other stock because he have all the money locked up, let's say around the 42, 45. So now, if we go back and discuss PHUN and what we should do, We have to be strategic, guys. The stock market is like a war zone. If you don't have a strategy planned, you lose the game early. Your land will be taken early. It's like chess game. You have to have a plan. The plan here, we have to watch where the confirmation for the breakout the next time, and where we should watch out for a weakness. So let's talk about the good thing and the bad thing. The bad thing is we didn't have hold up over this level. This has happened in the 7th of February. So this is a bad thing that happened for PHUN. It didn't hold this level. Because if we held here, guys, 99%, I can see it. It could have shoot over the 48 and we went already 100% toward the 75. Easily. I can see it easily. However, once we broke this level, what we said, a weakness, guys, a weakness. But the good thing right now, if we could talk about the good thing, is holding over the 31, breaking this flag and test this level of resistance. Now we're gonna go again and we say we have a bad thing here, which is never break the 40 and have lower high here. Okay. Now we have another thing is a good thing, which is holding the support again over the 31. So the 31 confirmed that we have a big buyer here. As long as we hold the 31, we are good to go to accumulate. Then we retest and make the short cover, of course, around this level. Let me just show you. Around the 40 cents. So the 40 cent, this is where we give our short seller a big kick in the stomach and make them cover and make them run for the other level. So watch out, or just put alert, guys. You don't have to watch out every second. Just put alert around the 41 to be exact, in order to give us a confirmation that the stock start to pump up, and then make sure to take profit around the 48, 61, and 75. In the time being, watch out for two support, guys. The 31, of course, we held it perfectly, but just in case, if we dipped in the pre-market, because it could happen, watch out for the 25.50, because this is the most important level to give us a bit of base of holding up. Because if we broke it, it mean we have a flush. What does mean flush is mean a break of 25%, 20% fast. You see what's happened here? When we hold the 31, we don't have a flush. This is not called flush. This is kind of flush, early, small flush here. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's mean flush here. This is a flush. This one, this red candle, flush, because broke major support. Here, this is a flush. So here we have to watch out for a flush toward the 25.50. As long as we hold the 31, will be even better. We're gonna break the 40 by the Friday or before the end of this week. If we broke the 31, is mean a sign of weakness, and of course we need to hold the 25.50 as a bottom. We don't want to have a breakout down, is mean really weak signal. However, in this time being, we have to hold this area in order to give us a fighting chance before at least the end of this month, and we might have the breakout from the 40. We're gonna do update for you guys for PHUN and mini stocks, so hit the like button, subscribe, and of course tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming for PHUN and the other stocks to come to cover them live 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, as we usually do, we're gonna discuss mini stocks, and tomorrow we're gonna have another stock have the same potential as BMR. So we're going to discuss those kind of stocks before the market open for the right entry and exit and the game plan for the market maker. So join us in the link comment section below, and see you by tomorrow. Thank you for watching.